iSupport Custom Field Features. iSupport's custom field feature is simple in purpose to track information specific to your organization, but it is powerful. There are several types of fields that you can define, including label only, text, checkbox, hyperlink, date time, radio button, multi and single select lists, and dropdowns. Custom fields can be used to collect any type of information for use with all work item layouts. You can also include custom fields when creating views and notifications for reporting and sending information targeted to your workflows. Additional optional fields such as owner and location can also be configured for specific asset and configuration item types. Selected fields will appear when the type is used, as well as in maintenance and warranty notifications. Configuration item functionality is included in the Service Desk edition. You can create custom fields that will appear when a category is selected in a work item screen. The fields for configuring category-based custom fields are the same as regular custom fields, but you cannot individually place category-based custom fields on layouts, and these fields are not listed as include field options for custom notifications. Category-based custom fields are, however, listed separately in the View Designer data sources when creating views. There are two ways to include text. For example, tips or suggestions. You can use the label-only field type as a section header to group fields or to enter informative text. For every type of field, you can include a tooltip that will display when a user hovers over the field with a cursor. Use the Custom Field screen in configuration to create and set options for custom fields. For all field types except label only, you can require a field to be completed before a work item is saved or closed. For currency, date, hyperlink, number, and text fields, you can enter a default value. You can enter @today for the current date, @today plus n for the specified number of days after the current date, or @today minus n for a specified number of days before the current date. Use the validation field to enable date, date time, currency, text area, and text custom fields to be validated upon entry. The parameters will vary depending on the type of field. For dates, you can validate the start, end, or between dates, inclusive of the valid start and end. For currency and number-only types, you can enter a minimum amount, maximum amount, or both to specify a range. For text area and text field types, you can enter a minimum or maximum number of characters, or both for a range. Use the mySupport access fields to enable display on mySupport portals and select the mySupport interfaces on which the custom field can appear. Use the conditional display options to trigger display of the custom field based on specific conditions. There are a few ways to include custom fields on a layout. In the layout screen, individual global custom fields can be included via the Custom Fields section. You can also use the Custom Fields option under the List Items section and then select the Configure Field icon to include all global custom fields, additional fields defined for a category, asset and CI type, change type, cost center, or both. You can use iSupport's rule functionality to automatically set values in work item custom fields when specified conditions are met. That's it for an overview of iSupport's custom field functionality. If you have questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST Monday through Friday, and 8 to 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, To chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.